Okay guys, good afternoon everybody. So welcome to the channel. So we have here the one of those Temu AliExpress emergency light, camping light. This one is the HC-260. Well, like I like to do in this channel, I would like to show you what you're getting for your money. So just a heads up, I already took it apart, so I will be doing another video where I will showing the procedure to take it apart. But right now I already did it. That was fairly easy. I have to say it's fairly easy. The light is pretty decent built for the price. This thing goes for like a $5-6 in Temu. In AliExpress you can get it for cheaper, I believe. But I have to say that yes, it's not terrible. The quality is not terrible. So let's begin with the light operation. So you have a few modes. So right now I put it to charge. So you have the red indicator that it's charging, and it's charging at 4 watts, as you can see there. I don't know if you guys can see that one. It's charging at 4 watts. It has two batteries, two 18650 cells, prepackaged, pretty decent, like a heat shrink rapid and everything. They are. Hold on, oh sorry guys. Let's see if this thing want to focus. Let's get some more light here. Alright, get a little bit more light, thank you. So they are 1200 milliamps, no name brands. They are really light. As usually, I will be replacing those with better quality batteries. This one is 2500 milliamps, so that will give me way more run time, because it's two, that would be 2400 milliamps. So you have a range of 10 white LEDs plus 5 reds in each of the 4 faces, and then you have one like a spot beam type of LED, quick LED there. So one touch, light up the beam. There's a nice spot there. Another touch is dimmer, then another touch light up the white LEDs, less power, then the red ones, and then the red ones have like a flashing mode. As you can see, all four corners of the light. They come with this diffuser, by the way. And then one more, just turn it off. So let me unplug it. Sorry, listen, I'll be messy here because I'm repairing something else there. Power supply, I need to fix it. So the light come in the box with, come with like a USB charging cable, a USB-C type, some kind of like a hanging device, hanging carabiner, you want to call it. So you put it in one of the handles, whatever. So that's and the little user manual. So that's what is in the box. Let's take that on the side note. So now look at the circuit board. One thing that I really like is that everything comes with plugs that make it really easy to take it apart. Actually, you just unplug the stuff, and that's it. Really good. With one hand you can do it. So the board. Hold on a second. Okay, so the board is not terrible. Have like the typical regular USB output plus the USB-C for charging, and the other one so you can use it as a power bank. I don't know how much power bank is gonna be with 2400 milliamp, but it's a good idea. So that's the connection. Everything is labeled. Like this is one. Well, like the two battery connections, the main light connection, and the spotlight is this guy here. So on the other side you have the charging output controller right there, that 8 pins, plus like a small microcontroller to take care of all the function of the lights, so that kind of stuff. Pretty simple. Sorry guys, this thing is really out of focus. See if I can make it. Here we go. Now we got this in focus. So as you can see, the microcontroller is wipe out information, and this little tiny guy, let's see if we can read it to get a better light so we can see what is it. It's a typical TP40 something series. Come on. Yeah, typical 4333 series, the controller that had the charging and all the kind of stuff, control on the charge, most likely to 1 amp, and a few components to control the lights, a few transistors to control the current and the lights and stuff like that, plus the controller that of course is something else, well, it's wipe out the lighting, so you never know what the heck is inside there. So let's show the other side, sorry. Just before I couldn't get it in focus. Here we go, nice, everything is nice and labeled. So in general, I have to say the construction for the light is pretty decent for the price, for $5-6. I say they're worth the money. You guys can tell me in the script, in the comments, if you believe that they're worth the $5-6, or I think they're worth it. So once that I swap the batteries for more high capacity batteries, it should last way longer time when it's needed. Alright, so usually this is just a quick video. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of content, and I see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.